When discussing top riders in the world of extreme enduro, two names often come to mind: Billy Bolt and Graham Jarvis. Although both are masters of their craft, the two differ in many aspects, making their comparison intriguing. Billy Bolt, known for his aggressive riding and bravery, brings a new dimension to extreme enduro. At the age of 26, Bolt represents a young force in the world of enduro racing, where speed, agility, and courage play a crucial role. His transition from trial riding to the hard enduro scene has proven to be a successful move, quickly establishing himself as one of the leading contenders in this demanding sport. His riding style combines aggression with trial techniques, creating a dynamic approach to competition. On the other hand, we have Graham Jarvis, whose riding style is characterized by precision and a strategic approach. At the age of 49, Jarvis brings incredible experience to the track, evident in his ability to tackle the toughest terrains with almost no errors. Known as the silent assassin, Jarvis progresses slowly and methodically through the race, surpassing his opponents with exceptional control and perseverance. When comparing these two riders, it's clear that each has their own strengths and weaknesses. Billy Bolt brings youthful passion and bravery, while Graham Jarvis brings incredible experience and a strategic approach to races. While Bolt excels in fast and aggressive disciplines like super enduro, Jarvis stands out in long endurance races such as the Erzberg Rodeo. Ultimately, it's difficult to determine who the better rider is between Billy Bolt and Graham Jarvis, as both bring incredible talents and passions to the world of extreme enduro. Billy Bolt is a professional trials rider who transitioned into hard enduro and began dominating the scene. Whenever his name is mentioned, it's always associated with fearless, wild riding. Billy has a unique riding style, combining aggressive riding with trial techniques, which is rarely seen among enduro riders. On the other hand, we have Graham Jarvis, who also hails from the trials world. Graham might not be known for aggressive riding, but he's renowned for excelling on the toughest terrain. Hence, he's earned the nickname, the Silent Assassin. His style revolves around complete trial technique with minimal aggression. When comparing Billy Bolt and Graham Jarvis, it's challenging to determine who the better rider is because they share so many similarities, but they are so different as riders. However, in this video, we'll attempt to explain each other's strengths and weaknesses comprehensively. As we all know, hard enduro is an incredibly demanding and strenuous sport, so Billy Bolt holds a significant advantage over Graham Jarvis in terms of age. Billy is currently 26 years old, while Graham is 49. If we do the math, Graham could easily be Billy's father in terms of age. And of course, age is crucial because when you're young, you take more risks, tire less easily, and injuries heal faster. Certainly, age isn't always a negative factor. Graham's abundance of experience allows him to make better decisions, hence earning him the nickname, the Silent Assassin. Graham makes every move so precise it's like as if he's thinking ahead of every step. On the other hand, Billy is a more aggressive and spontaneous rider, tackling obstacles without much forethought. Sometimes this approach yields excellent results, but at other times, it leads to significant mistakes that cost him a good outcome. Graham, however, progresses slowly, step by step, and secures victory. Graham's riding style is better suited for long and grueling races like the Erzberg Rodeo in Austria. He's known for typically having a poor start at the beginning of the race. However, gradually, he overtakes one rider after another, eventually claiming the first-place position. When it comes to age and strength, Billy Bolt holds a significant advantage, and his aggressive style suits super enduro competitions much better. On the other hand, Graham dominates in long, grueling races. The tougher the race, the better Graham performs compared to others. When we look at Billy Bolt's technique, it's almost like a mirror image of Graham's. It's as if they've been training side by side. What's more, their style stands out big time among other riders. You can tell they come from the trials world. They're in a league of their own. Sure, there are other enduro riders who've tried their hand at trials, but none quite nail it like these two. When it comes to technique, we have to admit that they're pretty much neck and neck. However, when it comes to racing, it seems like Graham leans more on his trial experience, while Billy opts for aggression. Graham excels at choosing his lines wisely, making very few mistakes along the way. Conversely, Billy tends to rush a lot and often makes errors, which usually costs him a good result. Despite being highly skilled and a good rider, he's frequently plagued by mishaps that prevent him from taking the top spot. In conclusion, their techniques are practically on the same level. Billy has the advantage of youth. He tires less, has more strength, and isn't as afraid of injuries. Meanwhile, Graham benefits from his wealth of experience due to his age, taking more precautions against injuries. Additionally, Billy thrives in super enduro events where an aggressive riding style is needed, whereas Graham shines in long, grueling races where his strategic approach comes to the fore. If we had to pick who the better rider is, we'd be hard-pressed to give a definitive answer. However, if you're interested in our opinion, we believe that Billy Bolt excels in aggressive races, while Graham dominates in tough endurance events. So, both are excellent, but they shine in slightly different disciplines even though it's all essentially the same. Thank you for watching our analysis of the showdown between Billy Bolt and Graham Jarvis. While both bring their unique talents and approaches, we can't deny that they're both top-tier riders in the world of extreme enduro. Their rivalry adds excitement to the world of motorcycling, while simultaneously showcasing the diversity and beauty of this sport. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it and leave a comment with your thoughts. Join us again in the future as we continue to explore the world of extreme enduro and follow the adventures of these incredible riders. Until next time, happy riding.